Welcome to the Food and Beverage Service Guide. In this video, you will learn how to properly set up a table setting and follow the correct service sequence for table doors, ensuring that every step is done efficiently and professionally. We will guide you through each procedure to help you provide an excellent dining experience for your guests. Let's begin with table setting. Here is a step-by-step guide to ensure everything is arranged properly for a formal dining experience. Here is how to prepare the table before starting the setting. Ensure the table is stable before laying the tablecloth. Check that the table is stable and level to ensure the best dining experience for the guests. Laying the tablecloth. The tablecloth should be spread across the table, covering it evenly. Make sure the tablecloth overhangs about 30 cm on all sides of the table. It should be well ironed with no visible creases, ensuring it looks clean and neat. The cloth should hang evenly on all sides for a balanced appearance. Centering the show plate. Place the show plate, the main plate for serving the meal, in the center of the setting. It should be positioned about half an inch from the edge of the table to create a clean, symmetrical look. Placing the folded napkin. Folded napkins should be placed on top of the show plate. The fold should be neat and properly aligned with the plate. Now that the table is properly set up with the cloth and plate, you are ready to continue with arranging the rest of the flatware and glassware. Appetizer knife. The appetizer knife goes on the right side of the plate, next to the soup spoon if there is one, with the cutting edge facing the center of the cover. Appetizer fork. The appetizer fork goes on the left side of the plate with the tine facing out. It should be placed outside of the table fork if both are used. Soup spoon. The soup spoon is placed to the right of the plate, to the right of the appetizer knife. The front of the spoon should face upward. Table knife and table fork. The table knife is placed to the right of the plate with the blade facing the plate. The table fork is placed to the left of the plate. Dessert fork and spoon. The dessert fork and spoon should be placed horizontally above the show plate, with the fork above the plate and the spoon below. This utensil should be centered. Alignment of flatware. The lower edges of all flatware should be aligned with the bottom rim of the show plate, positioned about 1 inch up from the edge of the table. This ensures uniformity and neatness across the table. With this setup, the table is beautifully arranged for a formal dining experience. And now, we are ready to move on to the service sequence. Bread and butter plate. The bread and butter plate is placed to the left of the cover. The butter knife is placed horizontally on top of the bread plate, with the cutting edge facing the center of the plate. Goblet. The water goblet is placed to the right of the cover, positioned just above the table knife. Chair cover. Ensure the chair is covered with a chair cover if necessary, and that the chair is placed about 2 inches away from the table. This allows enough space for the guests to sit comfortably while maintaining a neat and elegant presentation. Now that the table is properly set, let's review the next step in the service sequence table tote.